Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bromic Digital. As usual, I'm here to share with you proven ways on how you could actually begin making some money online. Okay, so now guys, if you're new to the channel, consider hitting the subscription and notification button so that you're always in the know whenever I upload new content. Okay, so today I'm here to share with you how you could actually begin making money with your mobile phone. Okay, so guys, the only content I share, like you know, here on Bromic Digital is content that is proven. Okay, so the application I'm sharing today is called Premise. It's available on Google Store. Okay, so please go and download the application. It's called Premise and it's on Google Store. Okay, it's absolutely free of charge. So basically what this app is about, it's about you can make money by taking surveys, short surveys. You can make money by doing what they call locate. Basically mean that they'll tell you to go to a given place, and then when you reach there you have to take pictures to confirm that you've been there, and don't forget to enable the location because they usually track the location with your phone. Okay, so the other option, the third option, is called Explore. So for example, the location I was talking about here is this. You see here they're paying 880 shillings in case there's a cemetery. Okay, so basically they tell you the details where the cemetery is. You go there and then you can take pictures and then you'll be paid. Okay, the other option guys is called Explore. So the Explore is about basically they'll give you places, or interview sessions, but most of these are like shops, because in my opinion I think this application is about research. It's a research based application. So you can see they are offering 10,000 shillings. I stay in Bugolobi, that's why most of these interviews have been put for me in Bugolobi, because for them they do research. Okay, because you have to enable location. The application requires you to make to enable location in your phone, so they target and make you go and do interviews in the nearby places. So these are the interviews I had, guys. There are so many, they're like 30. I just didn't have time to go and do them, but you can see each is 10,500, meaning if you're able to do the 30 interviews, probably you could be able to make almost 300,000 in a day. And this is just for 20 to 30 minutes of interviews. So basically all you have to do is you select the place where you're going to do the shops. Okay, you click on the shop. Once you've clicked on the shop, so they'll give you the details. You can see they're telling me they expired because they gave them to me, but I didn't have the time to go and do them. Okay, so I'm sure other people took them up, so that's why they've expired. Other people go to do them. But what I'm telling you, once you download the app, they're always there. Okay, so search and explore. Once you enable your location, the location tells the app where you are, and then they will send you there. So what do they expect you to do? You go there and you take a picture. Okay, you go there and you take a picture of the place where you're at. For example, you're going to interview Semambo's shop, so you go and take a picture of Semambo's shop to show that you're actually there, and then you begin answering questions. Okay, you'll begin answering what you'll begin asking you have a questionnaire. This application will have a questionnaire, or the questions you're supposed to ask the other person they have told you to interview, or the shopkeeper. You interview them. But basically, me, what I've seen, I and my friends, we don't usually ask the person. All we do is take the picture of the shop, and then you fill in the details yourself. Okay, the rest process yourself, and you get paid. Okay, so the cash out options you can see are very many. There's Airtel money, there's MTN mobile money. Okay, so it's up to you actually, but most of these have a minimum. Okay, they have a minimum amount with which you can cash out. So you can see they're telling you to mobile top up. If you want to top up your mobile money, your mobiles, it's 5,000 minimum. The balance you should have on this application, in other words. Okay, You see me, I'd cashed out some time back. You can see I just have now my balance is just 275 shillings. That means I can't cash out. Okay, so to cash out means that you want now to receive your money. Okay, so if you want to receive money, I've shown you how you could actually the different minimums. Okay, the different minimum amount you need to have here on this application for you to be able to withdraw either with mobile money or with Airtel money. Okay, so guys, the application is very easy and user friendly and very easy to use. Okay, I'll show you how to sign up at the end of this video, so stay tuned, stay watching this video till the end so they can be able to see how to sign up with this application. Okay, so guys, okay, now under tasks, usually they give you my to do, the to do. Okay, so the to do tasks basically are unpaid tasks, but what those unpaid tasks help you, they will give you the information. Okay, it's a way of them assessing to see that in case I assign you an assignment, you will be able to do it. Okay, so in those to do sessions, basically they give the information how you're supposed to do things. So you can see this one of subway and train stations. So they give you the guidelines. In other words, it's form of training. Those to do tasks are unpaid, but they're very helpful because they help you to be equipped and know what to do. Okay, so guys, when you're taking the photos, of course they'll tell you it must be under bright sunlight, you must have enabled your location. Okay, because the application records your location just to be sure that you're not crafty and you're doing the things the way you're supposed to be doing them. Okay, so if you have a task and you can select a task, and if you're busy, you can have the option of saying I'll do it later, so that it's reserved for you and no other person can select it. Okay, so guys, I want you to comment. Let me know in the comment section if you've downloaded the app, and if you're using the app, let me know if you're having any challenges with the application. I'll be able to give you feedback. You can see now, locate, there's already an assignment. Guys, this application always has assignments, always has those gigs. Okay, by the time I was recording this video, it was 11 p.m. I'm sure most of the tasks have been taken up by people, but if it is during daytime or in the afternoon, usually tasks are so many. Okay, so guys, download the application and give me feedback. How have you found the application? Are you making money? Okay, let me know. But I'm telling you, you can make unlimited money with this application, especially under the explore options. Yeah, all you have to do is to get your motorcycle guy, your bike guy. He rides you around and you're able to make the money. You move from one shop, it's on average it's 20 to 30 minutes. So, and usually the locations, the good thing is they're usually in one place. Okay, the shops that I tell you to go and do interviews at are usually in one place. Okay, so guys, I'll log out of my application and then go to, and then if you want to sign up, you see the option of signing up is here, and you can actually sign up with either with your Gmail account, okay, or with any other email. So I can tell you the sign up process is very easy. In case you have any challenge signing up, get to me, I'll be able to assist you. Okay, so the application is also very user friendly because all the guidelines are there. Even when you decide to take up a task, they will show you how to go about it. The guidelines will be there, so you